Pico Graphic Programming Lesson 3 Photoresistor Controlled LED Light. In the lesson, we will imitate an automatic light system. When photoresistor sensor detects that natural environment light is dark, computer will turn on man-made light LED. When natural environment is bright, then computer will turn off LED. Open the tutorial link. Create a new project and connect the Pico to serial port. Click New Project icon, and click the new icon in My Projects. Click Connect button in the bottom of the page and connect your Pico board to your project. Click Chip, greater than Start, then move Start Chip to Coding area. Click Loops, greater than Repeat while through and move this block just below Start block. Click Variables, greater than Create Variable and name the variable light_value. Now you will see some new variable blocks. Move the set light_value to block inside repeat loop block. From chip category, add a read voltage block to set light_value to block. Change the port from A0 to A2. From chip category, we add a print block set value to block. Right-click and delete the block inside print block. From variable category, we add a light_value block to print block. From logic category, add an if_do_else block under print block. From logic category, add an 0=0 block under print block. Click variables category, add a light_value block to if block. Change the equals to less than at 0 block to if block, then change block value from 0 to 2. From chip category, we add turn pin 0 on blocks to do area. Change the pin number from 0 to 15. Add turn pin 0 on blocks to else area again. Change the pin number from 0 to 15. Change the else area on status to off status. From chip category, add a wait 1 seconds block below if do else block. Change wait time from 1 to 0.5. Now we have finished building the program. We can click Start button to run the program. When the photoresistor is under bright light, the LED will turn off. When you use hand to shield light from the sensor, the LED will turn on. You can click the console tag in the bottom. You will see the light_value is printed in the console. When light is blocked by your hand, the value is very small.